going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We are seeing some nice gains here inside the sandbox. You can actually see over here we're up 4.6% for the last 24 hours here in the sandbox, and a lot of other cryptos are up as well. The whole crypto universe is going crazy, and the metaverse is going even crazier. So we're going to be going over this, what's coming up next for Sandbox, and my predictions for the technical analysis. So anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it though. So first things first, look at this. So last 24 hours, Sandbox up 4.6%. In the last 7 days, 4.4%. But look at this. All the other cryptos that you look at, they are not up in the last 14 days, the last 30 days, and the last year. So literally every single time frame, Sandbox is up for all of them. In the last year, 482%. So yeah, we're doing pretty good here in the Sandbox, and 11K from the all-time lows. That's pretty huge right there. So this is really big. And also, big shout out to the channel members out there. I actually go over cryptos for all the channel members, and this one was actually recommended by one of the channel members. I have them all on these little sticky notes. So if you all become members, I'll put you on the sticky note and make sure I go over any crypto you want me to go over. But this particular one came from one of the other subscribers on the channel. It actually came from Elias Drame, or I always say the name wrong. I'm sorry, Elias Dream. But yeah, we got a lot of different stuff going on for Sandbox. So we're going to be going over this now. So anyways, first things first, look over here at the technicals. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. We actually have this resistance here. The whole red area here is pretty much showing less demand at this whole red area. So what we do need to do is pretty much get past that red less demand area. So what we're going to probably see here for the Sandbox, we're probably going to end up bouncing back off of this area here of support around 336. Until then, we'll get back up to 350. But we already hit 336 once, so expect it probably to try to do it one more time, maybe another slight downtrend, and then boom, we'll probably end up hitting that area up there very soon. So I'm waiting for that to happen next. And what I really do believe could happen if, and this is a big if we have red inside the crypto market, for some reason we start getting more sanctions, for some reason we start getting more bad news in a whole overall global markets, the next area of support would be all the way down at 298. So I definitely wouldn't say expect 298 anytime soon, because I think that we're now going into the bullish movements of this whole crypto market. Like the altcoin season is coming inside of April, and everything's literally ramping up right now. Everything's preparing, and Sandbox is preparing as well to do that. So all-time highs could be re-reached again. Sandbox reaching its all-time highs way back here on the 28th, or actually the 25th of November at $8.40. So we may actually be able to get back up there to the all-time highs if we can have a lot more growth coming back for our altcoin season this year. Now, looking at the 4-hour chart, we all know 4-hour chart is the long-term chart here. So our next obstacle to pass here for long-term would be 440. So we got to get up to $4.40. So we're going to have little to no resistance on the long term for $4.40. So what you're going to see here, you can even see on the oscillator right here that we're becoming bullish right now. Lots of buying's coming in, and yeah, the buying volume is starting to increase. So you're going to see Sandbox eventually get up here to 440, and then once we hit for 440, our new support would probably end up being more so around $4 down to about 370, or possibly even 350 being our support here for Sandbox once we get up to 440. But then after we get that, and then after we pass 440, our next area where we're going to have little to no resistance getting up to would be the $5 area, little to no resistance. So from there, we'll be able to immediately, almost immediately get up to about $7 with that. And look, altcoin season, you all know when altcoin season comes around, it literally strikes at full force. It does not like let off for nothing. Like when altcoin season comes, everything pumps, and it pumps huge. Every single day, you're going to see 20% gains, 30% gains, 40% gains, 50% gains. Like you're going to see huge gains every single day when altcoin season comes around. It stays around typically from a month to about, I want to say from a week to a month, but typically about a full month. And April is usually that full month. So we should be seeing nice altcoin season inside of April. But yeah, like I said, after $7, you're going to have another area of resistance that we're going to have to try to break past. I'm trying to move up here. But yeah, the next area of resistance for Sandbox would be all the way up here. Let me get this so I can draw this out. So that would pretty much be around $8.50. And yeah, it's not going to be too hard for us to pass that either. Like I said, altcoin season is really the telltale signal when we start to pump. Altcoin season is pretty much going to be the reason that we pump. So it's going to tell us exactly where and when we're going to stop. So over here, you can even look at all the other cryptos are pumping as well. Altcoin season is starting to kick into full effect right now. So we just kind of got to wait, let it play out, let things do what they do. But anyways, there's also big news going on for Sandbox here. So virtual land just sold for 6 ETH in the Sandbox. People may not see it as significant at all, but $19 is pretty significant for virtual real estate. And other things have sold for a lot more. But the big thing that we want to look at and take from this article, brands like Adidas and Atari have bought virtual land in these blockchain-based metaverses. Lots of different big companies are buying land inside these metaverses. So you can even see over here Snoop Dogg buying land inside the Sandbox metaverse, The Walking Dead buying land, Adidas, South China Morning Post, literally South China Morning Post. Like, come on now. And then we have this over here. I'm not sure what that is. And then we have Richie Haunt, not sure what that is. The Smurfs, we all know what that is. Hell's Kitchen, bought some land here, Roller Coaster Tycoon World, and this is Dead Mouse. So you got Atari. That's huge. The fact that Atari has more land and many more above this. So we're going to have a lot of good stuff coming for Sandbox in the future. And I'll continue to report on that. Big shout out to the member, Elias Dream. Big shout out to you for recommending this. I'm going to be going over Sandbox a lot more on this channel. And I definitely believe there's some potential here for Sandbox. But yeah, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, like I said, just a little bit of a recap. We'll go over a recap of what we got coming up next here for the technicals. We have some minor resistance up here. Let these indicators come up. But yeah, we have some minor resistance up here about $3.50 to about $3.55. After that, it's all game. After we pass $3.50 and $3.55, we're going to have little to no resistance trying to get all the way up to about $4.30 to about $4.40. And those levels right there is what's going to confirm altcoin season for us, because that is a huge significant jump. And there's literally little to no resistance all the way up till that point. You can see this whole area here, even way back here, we just went straight on the downtrend when we first got into these levels around the 14th of February, all the way down to about the 17th and 19th. It literally went straight down. Just like it went straight down, you're going to see it go straight up because there's little to no resistance in between those areas. But yeah, anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.